was up six runs. They were winning, and he's trying to tell me I'm cheating for them. And I didn't even know anybody that was on either team. You know what I'm saying? I was like, why would I be
We made it up with.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Well, he wasn't calling balls or strikes. He just sit there.
Well, I'll tell you now how I call him. Everyone's been asking me if it hits the plate, it's nothing. It has to go past the plate, hit the orange.
No, he just wouldn't call it. Like, he wouldn't make a call.
Can you just be quiet?
Yeah, that was the problem. If you make a call, we're going to be okay with it, as long as you're just making the call.
As long as you're making calls. And then he wouldn't call him on the field. He'd say, oh, that's a catch, that's an out. Okay, well, what about the guy running? Is he safe?
You guys ready?
See, I get those like pitchers poison things with the force out. It's kind of
you can't be putting your whole team out on the field.
But people have been working. If everyone helps me, I'll help back.
You guys only got to play with 3.
You guys only got 3 people?
No, we have one more.
I'll say, what's up? You got an extra jersey? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. We had one guy did you start this?
Yeah.
We had one guy break his ankle yesterday at a softball game.
Are you ready? Yep. Ball.
You have any extras?
We recording?
Strike. Yeah, we should have a bunch of extra balls right here. Strike.
Good angle.
My bad.
I'll keep one in my pocket.
It's not my fault.
Lawyer, watch out.
Here, you want me to catch one? You guys ain't got to catch.
Oh, we can.
I got it. All right.
All that build up for nothing.
Run, Ian, run, Ian, run, Ian,
Speaking
run.
Anticlimactic. He's safe.
Safe. You dropped off.
Hey, what am I bad, guy?
You're last. You're 5.
Yeah, I think it's faster.
Was that you?
Yeah, that's you.
Sorry, I'll ask every time.
Run.
Amazing. All right, Josh. I'll go. They'll get hit with the ball, be like, strike, and they'll be like, what? Hold on, just keep. We're so serious. People think, I'm serious. Wiffleball is life around here. People have been freaking out on me.
Shit and everything.
Oh, people have been cussing me out and all kinds of shit.
We'll try to hold back.
No, we would have made one up quick. I was like, well, that's good. Foul tip.
This one, it was 2 last year.
Oh, shit. One more to go.
PR.
That's good.
Now, guys. Everybody's safe, yeah.
All right, Graves.
Yeah.
Everybody safe. You get set? You good?
I mean, shit, they ain't hit it, but nothing but 4 feet past my ass.
Oh, you gotta say
They're
that
on
now.
base.
You gotta say that now when I got 3 fucking runners on the
Hey,
base.
man, it wasn't a secret.
That was the goal. They set up grand slams.
Oh,
Guys!
Charge the mound. Charge the mound.
We had a funny friendship, but I don't know.
Out.
oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna move when you come down third base.
Now.
Yeah. I see. That's.
No, wait a minute. What is it?
It's out of home, right?
Yeah.
See, our league plays it goes by first base.
Yeah, like Ghost Man.
So as long as I'm back and you haven't touched it, you're out. Lead runner's out unless you're on the bag.
Got it. Shit.
Out.
Wind blowing right that direction.
Here we go. Let's get out of here. Come on out.
All right, Ian, let's make something happen. Let's not get
almost
balls
home,
down far, Ian.
Come on, Ian.
Go ahead. I'm gonna wait. Please don't do that again.
Strike one.
Hey, I need that wind. Come on, it's hot out here. Suck.
Strike.
Oh, God.
That's 2.
Yeah.
Gone.
Said that right, too.
God,
Big Hoss just ate.
Here.
That was
He ate good.
That's an out.
out of the park.
He hit a kid over there.
Who was
Home
that?
runs are one and done,
That
right?
was Ian, right? Yeah. So, and who else?
guys
3 people scored, right?
Four.
Well, yeah, but I meant who was the other 3 besides you?
Josh, and
Patrick,
Pat.
He hit the home run. So
No,
Josh.
Smith.
Okay, yeah. So that's what I was asking. I knew he hit the home run. I was
got that
making sure
respectable
who the other
single.
score was.
There's still 2.
Fielder's choice.
Yeah, yeah. There's still 2 outs.
Can't stand still.
Is the meth kicking in?
One can only hope.
Yeah. I've never done meth, but I'd probably be the only person.
I'm glad I ain't on meth no more.
That's how fucking lazy I am.
I used to be addicted to meth.
Oh, yeah?
You'd see me swing and run anyway.
Even if I didn't.
Yeah, that's right.
He wouldn't even throw the
You
ball.
make a sound effect, you'd be like, no, 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 no.
You swing like a girl.
He would go to pitch it, and Ian would run up and hit it out of his hand.
You'd be 3 moves ahead.
That's strike.
That was a strike.
Yeah.
Get it.
Oh, that's 3. And that was Patrick, right?
Yes.
That's bad.
Okay, so you guys got
Hey,
4
Wally,
that
man.
round.
Uh,
You guys are Blizzard, so that's
who's
4.
pitching, guys? Ian or Pat? Or Greg? Patrick? Hey, I'll chill here.
God, I hate my business.
That sucks.
Fucking sucks.
We
I pay $15 an hour cash now, so I can't.
Pretty sweet. We have a league in Huntington, West Virginia, and we had a
Is that where you guys are from?
yeah. We have
All of you?
Yeah.
No shit. My cousins all went to Huntington High School and stuff.
Yeah. We've had a league there for 5 years. We have a tournament in October called Wiffle. It's also a costume contest, and it's to raise money for Children's Hospital.
That's badass.
And I should do that.
Yeah, that ball.
And I had to ump it because we wanted to make sure it in,
Especially if it's a charity organization. I think it really
Right. Foul ball.
Fell down. It's alright, man. Just get back up. Did you see Batman? I was ready.
Get shit out of here.
You guys know them too? You know all them?
No. We just put out that
That makes it
vibe.
even cooler.
We normally get
Foul ball.
started with the trash talk right away.
Yeah.
I know.
Literally, these people are literally talking shit to each other earlier.
Oh,
so
yeah.
bad. Like,
Well, we posted an article early. We're like, oh, we're coming. Hide your beer.
hide your beer.
I like to dance robot.
Oh, shit, Pat.
Oh, shit.
Oh, my God.
It's making me horny.
All right. I'm coming in second.
Oh, foul ball.
Yeah.
Said it's making me horny.
Get out of here.
Yeah. You got him excited.
Yeah.
He wasn't lying.
There we go.
That's just
Look how long his bat is. Look how long his bat is right now. He just busted his leg.
Oh! Come on, Ian, stick it out. Number 2,
There.
Greg. There we go.
Somebody get a base coach for him. Running all over his fucking field. You're out. I'm still running.
Run to third next. Just skip second. Just cut across.
Straight across.
Yep. Oh.
You gotta set him up for this.
Yeah.
Get fucked up.
We did that a lot. I never know. If I don't do nothing, everyone's like, Josh, what are you doing? There we go.
Hey, oh, you gotta run it out, guys. Run.
You're Kyle, right?
2 outs, right?
Sweet.
You get the lead and you got first.
Yeah.
So you guys were not kidding. He doesn't really know where to run.
You really do need a fucking base coach.
That's just 2 outs, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good play, Greg. That's
Go on.
still in. Greg, that's you.
Out.
Yeah. Hell of a play.
Worst bounce off that.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have one line. Who's that boss man?
Josh Blair.
Then me. Then Greg.
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all have to keep me help me with that because I mark all these outs and they're never like.
We have our names on the back of shirts too. That helps.
Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, like you said,
Whenever
Josh,
you
that was the last
whenever
out.
you get an out, put it right here in the corner. Put 1, 2, and 3, so you know who gets last out.
That's what we do.
We're legit.
We're a
There you
DIY.
go. I suck, so.
I'm just giving him. I only got one.
That's probably why I'm getting bitched at all day, but you know what? I get paid regardless. So
There it
I
is.
like me.
Oh my God. I'm recording this. I'm definitely putting music behind it. I just want you to know. Yeah. That was some street shit. Oh! Get there, Josh! You're there! Dave!
Good play.
Josh Smith.
Strike one.
God.
I felt you pulled something on
Yeah,
that.
I did. It was a nut.
Foul. Strike.
Right now.
I hit orange too.
Greg.
Since Josh is the one breaking it, man.
Come on, Greg.
Shut up, that shit's not funny.
Strike.
That's way out. Oh my God, Greg!
Yeah!
Oh my God!
Tournament, Greg!
Oh my God!
What time is it?
Oh.
Is it like 3 o'clock?
No virgins on this team. No virgins.
Not hit all day.
Actually, that is my first hit.
This was a home run. That's the best bet.
All right.
Oh!
I'll be honest. If you want me to be honest, whose fault it is, your jump is fault.
Hey, 2 down, right?
Yeah, 2.
Actually, it's your fault. You turned into it.
But who's count, right?
That was underhand read.
He's got one in his pocket.
What
do you have in your pocket? Can't tell you.
Oh my God!
Run!
Stay one, Pat.
Open field.
Woo!
Is it me?
He's the only one on our team that can do that. I just batted.
No, it'd be
okay.
Josh,
It'd be you.
player, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was so quick. That was weird. That was cute. I like that. Run it out, guys.
Safe.
Safe.
He's fast.
You want another ball?
What's the call?
Safe.
All right, Josh, get on.
See, in our league, it all depends on the runner going to first. Even if the guy's on second, the guy don't make it to first,
Strike.
the guy's second's out. So
Thank you.
it's a little different for us.
Oh,
There we go. Let's go ahead. Come on now.
got a hit here.
Greg, you want to stay outfield? That works.
You can go next here.
What's the score now?
6-0.
6-0.
Yeah, we need to score.
No, it would be 5-0.
5-0. Hey, who's keeping track? You know, I mean,
Fuck, that's what I'm gonna pay for.
it's like we got someone doing that or something.
Is this James? Is this James?
Yep.
I got this. Foul shit.
I got on the ball, Reese.
Hey, I got another one. Hey, no rush. My bad. My bad, Brad. Brad. Yeah, you can't tell me that.
Foul.
We'll give you both the balls.
Longest at bat ever.
Got him.
Come on, Brian. Start it off. Need to hear one time.
Oh, watch out. Uncle Slam will get you. Now watch it.
Hey, boss, you were
Pat, heads up.
That's 2.
Not too fast to walk. Now I'll catch my breath.
You sound like our pitcher.
Is this
And
Brian?
everybody else on
Is
the
this
team.
Brian?
Yes. No, this is Donald.
Okay, okay.
Hey, speak for
Brian
yourself,
just batted.
Yeah, I got out.
Well, you're doing it for me right now, so I'm just gonna let this play out. Oh, Ian, up to you, baby. Oh.
Good effort.
Man, let's not go down like this. Come on.
Yeah, 2 outs. Hey, good effort, Ian. I saw it. I saw it.
Top of the second.
Oh shit. Some yoga stuff happened.
Yeah. Man,
First one had him lay down and pitch.
Yeah.
And the douchebaggiest pitch of the year goes to.
There you go.
silly.
Listen, Merrick.
I
I
agree.
have to do one dumb pitch a bat.
Been saying that for years.
I've always said that. Our team, my team in my league is make Wiffleball great.
For real.
This is official bet, Greg.
Greg's up.
Yes.
Are we
using it?
No, I was just showing you guys.
That's theirs.
Climb
I
on,
thought we were
guys.
just throwing bats at people.
What do you mean climb on? Ian hit a grand slam. You've hit 2 runs.
We'll score 6-0.
Yeah,
on,
5
Thursday.
5 nothing. 5 nothing.
Pretty flat. No, we scored 4 in the grand slam in the first.
Yeah,
At a 2-run shot. No,
No.
me and Greg.
That's
gets on
true.
run,
He
I
was on
first.
second.
Yeah, it was
And Greg crushed it.
Yeah, it should be 6-0. Is what the score should be.
Okay. I got you.
All right, Ian. Let's get going again.
It's Greg, right? Greg got out.
Yeah, that was Greg. So everybody got top line.
Oh.
Got him. Let's go, Pat.
Get it started, Pat. Get on back. Run out.
Oh.
You want to play field, John?
Yeah.
Somebody pick me up.
Dustin's up, right? Yeah.
Get it.
Out.
Good play, good play.
Oh, 2. 2. I'll see it. Out.
Not enough on.
Well, not much.
A little bit. Don't. It wasn't that bad. That one still sucks.
Let's play. Out.
We're going, boys. This is 4th inning now?
Yeah.
This 4th.
Josh Blair.
Top 4?
Yeah.
Me and you.
Josh Blair.
Gotta get some more runs, guys.
Yeah, I'm opposed to our other strategy.
I'm we had someone my last game that was 2-1. Jesus. And I swear they kept saying Jack every time.
They did.
Jack.
I take an American flag around the bases when I hit, so that's not, that's not that bad.
They were
Oh, it's probably that Jack City team.
probably.
Maybe they have like a
That was a
team.
good pitch.
Jack.
They were watching the guys Jack.
Jack.
Can't say that.
Alright, this has been the best day of football in my life.
These balls are so flat.
Yeah.
Ah, that's my bad too.
None of them are full.
I'd be passing.
Yeah, ignore the instincts.
I saw it. I saw it in his eyes. You're up.
Oh.
You're up.
That's right. Pat.
Waiting on him to do that all day.
What? What?
Oh.
All right, Greg.
Good catch. I don't think I've gotten a hit in like 2 games.
It's alright.
It's not.
It's all about having fun, bud.
Greg's making up for
it. My life based on winning.
Well,
Not
out.
going so hot.
Come on, Ian.
One more run. Come on. Put us away. We'll get 3 and close them out. Let's say we're done. Get there.
Out.
All right, let's go.
Come on! Hey, come on, man. Kill.
Stop 5. Or bottom 4.
Bottom 4.
Got 2 innings, scored 7 runs.
What's your shot here, James?
Just started.
Right. Yeah, that one. Out.
Oh, Pat.
There you go, Pat. Move on it.
Everything's coming in short. Yeah.
Home run.
Yes! Come on! Nice job. Yep. You alright? Good shot. Thanks.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I mean, just stand back here and just be quiet.
I wasn't sure either.
Come on, beat it out!
Out. Up.
Ian?
Patrick's up.
I got the last out. You got the last out, so it's
Patrick.
Pat, Josh, me, Greg. Ian, let's get some runs.
Ian, you want to explain this?
What?
Explain
That
that.
one
We need
me.
some runs. We need some insurance, fellas.
This is the last inning, ain't it?
Yeah.
Ball.
Run, 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 run.
Out.
All right, Blair. Let's get her going.
Josh.
Pick me up, you guys.
Wait on yours.
I got back problems, bro. I can't.
Get at least
Can't
that
physically
one
do
back. That wind just really killed that.
That one, yours.
Hey, Josh. Don't make me
Two
the
outs.
last out. Hey Josh, don't make me the last out.
That would mean that.
He has to get out.
Oh!
Oh,
Nice.
my
Yeah.
God. Hell of a catch, man.
He played field.
Come on now.
Last inning. Okay. You right. Strike. Ball. Strike.
All right, Pat. There it is. Got it, baby.
Way to pick us up. Nice shot.
You got 3 off that, right?
Yeah.
Come on.
Shot, baby.
Keep it going.
Here.
Good job, Mo. Chasing 2. Chasing 2. 6-4. No, that ain't you. Wait for the
Go
perfect
low.
pitch.
Wait on it, guys.
Too low. What, 3 feet? Oh, yeah, no. Right.
Out.
Steve needs you here. Me and you.
Yeah, this is
Me
it.
and you.
You gotta have it, guys.
There's one.
Let it pick me up.
Way out here.
Right. 6'5" right now.
Go, Mo.
Yes! Come on, Cub. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient.
on your head now.
Got it, baby.
Wait for yours, Darryl, and bring good one.
Out. Out. Game.
Good game.
Oh, my God.
Get your camera.
Maybe we'll play here again.
Could we have come any closer to blowing that? Oh my God.
I think we play here again.
Oh, no.
Don't
We
say
have to go
that.
find out.
I need a fucking break.
Start a union, man. Start an umpires union right now.
They keep sending everyone over here.
Well, after this one,
What's
they
the final
should-
score,
they can
6-5?
cut it in half. Yeah.
6-5.